Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Save on Food app not working. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this easy step. So here we can see the Save on Foods. So if it's not working, you have to follow this easy step. So just open it, press and hold it here, just do it I button. It will open the app info section of the app. So then here we have to just scroll down and click on that storage button, click on clear data, just clear the existing data. Then here you have to open the app again. If it's work for you, then fine. If it does not work for you, just check for an update. So checking for update is easy. We can directly go to the Google search bar and search for the Save on Food app. Just download the latest version and it will work. If you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.